Rolling.
So, is the Cruise a bad enclosed mobility scooter? The answer is no. These have been around since 2018. These are fantastic, but the truth of the matter is that everything gets better in time. So the cars 10 years ago are not the same as the cars today. It's just that the Nexa has come in at an amazing price comparatively, because there is only, there's only about a $5,000 to $1,000 difference between the two. So this one outshines, the Nexa outshines the Cruise because it's just newer technology. They've really jammed in a lot of amazing components into this, like the power windows, the rack and pinion steering, the McPherson suspension. It's wider, so it's just more stable. So it doesn't make these bad at all. These are not bad. They're just not the same components. So, like I said, they outshine, and it's just like any car. You buy a car 1 year, and then next year you're like, oh shit, they got better components. It's just the progression, natural progression of products. That's it. Okay, and then the next one's gonna drive these in snow.
Oh. I think I'm still rolling.